there, it's Carol with Carolbcrafts. I'm excited to share with you my Autumn Goodness Create Class Kit. The Autumn Goodness Create Class Kit is your gift from me to you with a qualifying purchase at stampinup.com using my current host code, which you can find on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. All the details are there along with the supplies that you'll need to finish these cards. There's 6 cards in all. There'll be 4 YouTube videos for 4 of the cards, and then 2 of the cards we'll be doing as Facebook Lives on my VIP Facebook group, which you'll be invited to join with your purchase. And then after I do my Facebook Live, I will put them on the video on YouTube for all, so you'll have all 6 projects on YouTube as well. Now my Create kits are a little different from my class kits. Not everything is going to be cut for you, but there'll be detailed instructions in the videos, and then I'll have PDFs with the dimensions and supplies that you need for each project. These are adorable cards, and I think that you'll love making them. This one says Golden Leaves, Chilly Air, Autumn Beauty Everywhere. And of course this is using the Autumn Goodness bundle, which is available right now, and I will put the number on the screen. You just need to go to Stampin' Up and search that number or the name Autumn Goodness bundle. Now be sure you get the bundle because you'll save 10%, and with the bundle you'll get the stamps and the dies. And so I think you'll be happy with this set. It's a really nice fall Thanksgiving thankful set you could use for thank you cards, anything that you want to do with like the autumn type theme. Now there were some sentiments that I used, an older set that I have which is still available, Country Home. This is a darling set we had a couple years ago. It hasn't retired yet. I liked the sayings in here, but you might have a different stamp set that you like that has sayings that you prefer too, if you don't have this particular one. But I think I did a class on this, I think it was a couple Thanksgivings ago. So if you have been doing classes with me for a while, you probably have this set at home. So I try to change up the cards and not have everything like all the same, because I know you like to do different things. So this one says Plant Kindness, Harvest Love, and this greeting is also Happy Harvest Blessings. That comes from that Country Home stamp set. This says Thankful, Golden Leaves, Chilly Air, Autumn Beauty Everywhere. Beautiful card. I like to have my cards so that people will want to display them in their home for the season. All good things come from above. And then this one has a little bit of a wow inside. Thankful for you. So these can be for any kind of, just show your gratitude. It doesn't have to be for Thanksgiving. So this is some beautiful little pumpkins. We all love pumpkins. Simply thankful for all the good things. And we have lots of good things, don't we, to be thankful for. Golden Leaves, Chilly Air, Autumn Beauty Everywhere. I had to do leaves with that. Now, this is going to be a workshop. These will come in your kit. I call them my little goodie bags. The pumpkins will be in the goodie bag. The leaves will be in the goodie bag. Anything that you cannot stamp and cut with your bundle, the Autumn Goodness bundle, will be in your goodie bag. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's your ribbons, your die cuts. There's some labels there. That reminds me, looking at labels, there's one thing I do need to let you know. So in addition to the bundle, the Autumn Goodness bundle, you're going to need the layering ovals framelits. Now this is actually two sets. So the layering ovals framelits comes with one set of just the regular ovals and one set of scalloped ovals. So that's what you will get. That's what you need. Most people have an oval set though. If you don't have the layering ovals set, you might have something that you could use, but I highly recommend this. This is something that you can use all the time with your cards. So here again, like I said, here's the label here, and there's pumpkins in there too. And I put adhesive backing on there so you don't have to try to glue that on there. Try to make it as easy for you as possible. Detailed instructions. I do it like a workshop. I don't go too fast, so you can follow along, take your time. You can stop the video if you need to. And your leaves are in here as well, somewhere in there. I will have to hunt them down. This label, where's the label? This one. This label is already done for you. So you'll enjoy this. This is going to be a very pretty. You'll be so pleased with this yourself when you finish this and you have all these beautiful cards to send out to your friends and family. So, and then additionally, you will need, definitely need some very vanilla cardstock. I don't supply that because that's a staple. Everyone should have that. If not, get yourself some. I have some of the, they're 4x6 sheets of DSP that you'll get, and they're in little packets because the metallic sheets it's easy to get them confused, so I put them in little bags, the ones that you have the metallic metal sheets, because I want to make it easy for you, like I said, as possible. I'm also going to include, which I normally don't, I'm going to include 6 of the thick, very vanilla, pre-scored card bases for you. Again, making it easy for you. And then you don't really need a lot of cardstock because we do have all of that gorgeous metallic cardstock that's in there for you to use. So you have mint macaron, just jade, cinnamon cider, and crumb cake. So those are pretty. Those are pretty colors, and I think you'll enjoy it. So check out my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. Get the host code, go shopping. You can purchase anything if you already have the bundle, or purchase the bundle, and as long as you meet that minimum requirement and use my host code, you will automatically be qualified to get this as a gift from me to you, to thank you for choosing me as your demonstrator. Now this is only good offered through November 4th because Thanksgiving is upon us, so that gives us about 10 days from today to do our purchasing. I'll get these in the mail. I'll start shipping them on Wednesday, this is Friday. In 4 days I'll start shipping the kits, so you'll have them plenty in time to get your cards ready for the holiday. All right, well, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. Bye now.